Dear English postgraduates, striving competitors of PGTJRB English examination, welcome to the platform of Fluency School of English to get ready for the race of PGTJRB English examination. Fluency School of English is a wonderful driving platform for you to swim across the race, the PGTJRB English examination. In this program, we are going to deal with the important course in the play Antony and Cleopatra. Surprisingly, we have more than 75 remarkable courses on this play. For uploading convenience sake, I have divided them into two parts. And this is the first part consisting of first 50 courses. The others will be in part 2. The act number and the scene number have been given for you, your reference only, and I think they don't have any exam point of view. The points given here will help you to frame questions yourself. Almost all the important events of the act and play have been presented. Hope you will enjoy the travel with me. Be with me until the last. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't fail to make your comments, suggestions and what you feel about this program. Feel free. Best wishes. Here I shall read you the quotations only and the answer is given in red color and green color. So I think I don't need to read them because the video will go longer. You can have the idea from the view. And you shall see in him the triple pillar of the world transformed into a strumpet's foal. Let Rome in Tiber melt, and the wide arc of the reigned empire fall. Here is by space. Kind sir, give me a good fortune. Kingdoms are clay, our donkey, yes, like fish, beast as man. Sorry, a serial number has been missed. You can take it into account. Kingdoms are free of clay, our donkey, yet like fish, beast as man. Antony, there is beggary in the love that can be recorded. But she makes hungry where she most satisfies. I don't make fortunes, I only see them. In the play, the term has been given as soothsayer. I have, for your understanding, given you as fortune teller. Then see a good one for me. Your beauty will be even greater than it is now. O happy horse, to bear the weight of Antony. He means I will get fat, I ask. No, he means you will use makeup when you are old. You shall be more beloved than beloved. I had rather hit my liver with drinking. In nature's infinite book of secrecy, a little I can read. Whom does the soothsayer mean here? Eternity was in our lips and in our eyes. O happy horse to bear the weight of eternity. Sorry, it's repeated. My salad days when I was great in judgment, cold and blue. Riotous madness, to be entangled with those mouth-made wolves which break themselves in swearing. You shall find the man who is the abstract of all fast that all men follow. This common body, like to a vagabond flagged upon the stream, goes to and back, like in the varying tide to rot itself with motion. My eyes I'll give bloody teeth if you ever compare Caesar with Antony, my best man among men. Though age from folly could not give me freedom, it does from childishness. Our separation so abides and flies thou that thou residing here goes yet with me, and I hence fleeting here remain with thee. Eternity was in our lips and in our eyes. In time we hate that which we often fear. The most famous quotation, one of the famous quotations here. Age cannot wither her, nor custom steal her infinite variety. What say you hence, horrible villain, or I will spurn thy eyes like balls before me. I will unhair thy head. Thou shalt be whipped with fire, and stewed in brine, smarting in lingering pickle. I that do bring the news may not match. In praising Antony, I have despised Caesar. In time we hate that which we often fear. My sad days when I was great in judgment, cold in blood, to say as I said to them. Here, Cleopatra was having love with Julius Caesar also. She says that those days were so pleasant to her. If you find him sad, say I am dancing. If it burns, report I am sudden sick. Here, Antony is mentioned. I did do bring the news, made not the mash. The board she sat in, like the burnished throne, burned not the water. Age cannot wither her, or custom save in infinite variety. Other women cloy the appetites they feed, but she makes hungry where most she satisfies. All this thou shouldst have done, and not have spoken. In me it's villainy, being done unknown. I should have found it afterwards well done, but must condemn it now. Music, body, food offers that trade in love. The truth should be silent. I had almost forgot. We ignorant of ourselves, beg often our homes, which the wise powers deny us for our good. So find we profit by losing our prayers. Age cannot wither her, nor custom stale her infinite variety. We ignorant ourselves beg often our homes, own homes, which the wise powers deny us for our good. So find we profit by losing our prayers. That truth should be silent, I had almost forgot. Music, moody, full of us that trade in love. For what good trade? For the best turn of the bit. Thank you, best wishes.